Hello, who are you?
Hello, I am Ali Sadpara. I am from Pakistan. Yes, you know me. You didn't meet before
No,
with me.
no,
No.
first time.
Who are you?
The strongest climber
Yes,
in the world.
in the world.
Not bad for first day.
First day, huh? Nanga lady, Nanga perbat, huh? Ali Nanga.
Crazy Ali.
¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa? Ali, na cremas.
No loving you, hen.
Come on.
Careful, huh? Muy bien.
Muy bien.
¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa?
यतै छु म गएको छैन लङ्कामा किन गर्छौ राम जस्तै शङ्कामा पिपलको बरा.
So, how many 8,000 you summit?
Yeah, I submit 7,000-8,000 mountains. But I did 11 times, like 4 times Naga perbat I climbed, and 2 times Broad Peak, and 2 times G2, and 1 time G1, and K2. And this spring I climbed Lhotse in Makalo. 2018 we try in Everest, we climb Pumori in winter. Yeah. And Everest we are in 8,000 meters.
Campo.
Too strong windy.
So,
And 2016 in winter we are success this mountain first winter ascent.
full gas.
Go with you 14.
Oh, beautiful. Good.
This is my
You too.
this is my dream. This is my hard work. And I'm happy, but my job is very dangerous,
Risks.
technical. But I love mountains. I love mountaineers. That means I take.
And then,
What we say, I have no words to say about this. And I'm happy. My family also very good to education. My children, my daughters.
Hello.
Hello, Steffi. How are you?
Good. How are
I'm
you?
happy. After Nanga Parbat, we are together in Manaslu,
Yes.
in Nepal.
wow.
Ali, how are you? My name is Ali. I'm from Pakistan. My date of birth is 2/2/76. You know, yeah?
You've seen the video. So happy. How are you? Good. Good. You're climbing also? Manaslu?
Yeah. Manaslu, Daulagiri.
Oh, good. Good. Yeah.
Has this winter.
Oh, Ali, so happy to see you. Ali, the dancer, is back. Come on.
Ali dance.
Woo! You are.
Wow. Hello, Steffi.
Hello.
Hi.